What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, back with another video. This time I have Miss D with me on set.
Hey y'all, follow me on IG at _Delana, DYLANA _.
Oh, you see that, the dot underscore. So I'm gonna put that in the lower left hand corner, you know what I mean? So it could be nice and easy for y'all. And today we're gonna do a couple different outfits. In this particular one, we're going to shoot with a reflector, 5-inch reflector, and then a softbox, and see how the images look with the different light modifiers. So I got the Godox AD300 Pro, got the Nikon D850. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay guys, sorry for the interruption. I know I mentioned multiple outfits for this particular shoot, but for this actual first section I actually had a meaning and something that I actually wanted to show with the different modifiers using the 5-inch reflector and comparing that with images from a softbox. The other outfits were kind of more being creative, having fun shooting, which you can check out right here. Not bad, but if you want to see these, leave me a like button, hit that like button, tap that like button, and leave a comment below and let me know that you would like to see these right here. Oh, do I got it right? Okay, there we go. If you want to see these other outfits, and I will drop them. Okay, now you can go back to the regularly scheduled shoot. Peace.
Alright, and get the lighting right.
Oh, and then
stay right there. Just cut your eyes towards me. Right there. Perfect.
this way.
Yeah, you can turn that way. Yeah, just turn a little bit more.
Okay, let's get into the image comparison. The first shot is the shot exposed for the background before any light modifier has been added. Next, I wanted to compare both modifiers at the same exact power outputs, leading with the softbox image, which needs more power because of the double diffusion inside of the softbox. I used that same power output setting for the reflector and got more of a harsher tone because there is no diffusion layers, so there's direct light on the subject, which means I needed to change the output power for the reflector. Having done so, we have a luminance on the subject that is more evenly to compare with the settings at the exact same. So for me, the softbox looks have a more softer lighting on the subject versus the reflector gives more harsher lighting on the subject, in my opinion. You let me know, which modifier would you like to use? What do you prefer? T to the M to the IDD. Peace.